Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back. So check it out. In this video, we're going to explain just how websites actually work. And of course, it's going to help you better understand some of these terms we're talking about and more. But what we're really doing is understanding what we're actually going to be doing before we get into start coding. So basically, we've got two elements required to access an internet application. One is a client that's going to make the request to access web pages. Now, this could be a computer, a phone, a tablet, but they're all going to be using browser-type things such as Chrome, Safari, or even Opera. But another element is definitely the server that will respond to that request. The server contains a relevant code of the website or application that we want to access. So now let's dive in to see how the process actually works. So we first have the client requesting a website's address through the browser. The server finds the website address in the incoming request and then creates a page to be sent back to the user. Then it sends this to the user's device. And then within the user's device browser, mechanisms compile the received HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code and create a page view. And then it shows this page on the screen. All right, so this process is related to front end, and the technologies used are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But over on the web server side, languages like Node.js, Python, and PHP are used. Now, through these languages, data is stored, and structures necessary to return correct responses to requests from the front end are established. This part happens to be called the back end in the web development process. So in this course, what we're going to do is teach you HTML and CSS, which are the most basic technologies required to become a front-end developer. All right, so let's have a look at the image here, and let's get to know the general idea a little better. So you'll see that HTML forms the skeletal system of a page, while CSS is entirely related to the, well, let's just say the appearance of the page. All right. Now, JavaScript can be thought of as a nervous system that makes all this structure dynamic. But you'll see that we created this lesson here to help you better understand what we're actually doing when we do it. So we're going to wrap it up here, and we'll be introducing the platform that we'll be developing on in the next video. All right? See you then.